This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by accessing your registrar or DNS host and authenticating with 2FA. Once in, make a quick export or screenshot of existing A, CNAME, MX, TXT records so you can revert if needed. While you have access, decide the new targets, an IP for a records, a CDN CNAME, or switching to a managed DNS provider, and set a lower TTL like 300 seconds to speed propagation during the change. You will now make the edits in stages to reduce risk. First, lower TTL if not already done, then update non-critical host records such as staging or API subdomains and verify connectivity. Once those work, change the primary a /a or CNAME to the new IP or target. Make one change at a time and wait for DNS responses to settle. Make sure to keep MX and TXT records for mail and verification unchanged, unless you specifically need to move email. Once changes are live, verify propagation by querying authoritative name servers and using dig or ENS-lookup from several locations. You should also flush your local DNS cache and test services directly. Tools like curl with explicit host resolution help isolate problems. If anything fails, revert to your saved DNS backup or raise a ticket with your DNS provider, supplying timestamps and record snapshots. This troubleshooting tip prevents prolonged outages. Always have a tested rollback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.